Hey everybody, it's Neil and welcome to my kitchen. And today I have this, it's called Ottohome, and it is a mat that I can put down on the floor here in front of my sink. And it should make it more comfortable, or I can put it in front of the stove or whatever when I'm cooking. It should make things a little bit more comfortable for me as I am working on stuff. So let's check this mat out. I opened it up. I thought it was going to be rubber, but it's actually some sort of little carpet. You can see it in there. It's like those office carpets that are very thin pile and stuff. So let's see how this is. I guess it's just a runner. It's not necessarily for the kitchen, which is what I got it for. So let's see here. As I get it all tied up in myself, this is the little paper that it came with. There's no other instructions or anything, and this is what it looks like here. And you see it's about as tall as, can you see? It's about as tall as me, not quite 5. So it's probably, if I am almost 6 feet, it's 5 feet long. So you can see, so it's got rubber. It's a kind of a carpet pile on that way and rubber on the back. And let's aim you guys down at the floor as I put it down here. And I'll take off this sticker too. Now there's no stickers on it. And there we go. So now I have a nice little runner in front of my sink. And looks pretty nice. And it's definitely non-slippery. And so I'm going to say I like it. I'm going to put a link to this in the description. It is, again, the Ottohome. Ottohome. And there we go. And so I like it. Seems pretty good to me. It was very inexpensive, so that's why I got it for this apartment, because this is not a permanent residence for me. It's just something to use in the meantime till I end up getting another house soon. But there we go. So like it, thumbs up, links in the description. Be sure to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Thanks. Bye.